How to remove Amazon account from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove Amazon account from other devices. Now the process is quite simple and easy. Simply open up your Amazon application and make sure you're logged into your account. At the bottom you can see the profile icon at the middle. You want to simply tap on that particular icon, and then you can see the your account option there on the screen, right? You want to simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it, it should load up, and you want to scroll down, and under account settings you want to locate the option that says content and devices. Now here on the screen you can see the content and devices option, right? You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get various options there. At the top you can see you can see the content option. You want to head into the devices option, simply tap on devices, and you'll be able to see the devices. Now first you can see the apps installed on devices. You want to select which app do you want to remove your account for, and if you want to remove it for Amazon, you want to simply tap on Amazon, and once you do so, here you can see you'll be able to see where or which device your account is logged in on. In my case, it's only a single device. If you have particular devices that you want to log out from, you want to simply select that device and tap on deregister option, and it'll ask you, are you sure that you want to deregister? Simply tap on deregister and your account will get logged out from that particular device, and you can do the same for other devices as well. So this way you can remove Amazon account from other devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.